Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix issues when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for Motorola Moto E13. And to do this, we'll need to open the Google Play Store. Inside we can try to find a game, so it's Call of Duty. And as you can see, there's no results in the search, and to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings and go for family. Inside, select parental controls and now either disable them entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, confirm it with OK and increase PG to at least 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back, look for this game again, it should be right here on the top. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.